Welcome on Frogtech Tips. Today I have a Xiaomi Mi Band 4 review for you, and only I can say on style, you want a smart band, buy this one. It's best money for your value. It's brilliant, it's good, and I can only recommend. Okay, what we have? We have a smart band and unboxing video. You can have a look on this corner. Just click on that and you'll see the unboxing, what is inside the box, and my first impression. First of all, I can only say the smart band, I use it over 1 month and it's brilliant. Battery life, I can confirm, is huge and it have a 36-day battery life for my first charge. Brilliant. You can have a look on the display. Hopefully you can see it's brilliant, nice and easy. Yeah. And what you have there is a couple of functions, you will be like it, and it's brilliant. I can only recommend. Now have a look closely on the what is inside the menu. We got a couple of different times for this smart band. You can see this is the standard one, which is the original one. On my watch is slightly different, more information, but it's still good. I like it, and you can choose your own. There is many times you can use it. You can even make your one. You can put a picture or whatever you like it. Okay, what we have here, we have a more D&D is actually night time, where you don't want any notification or something. You will be distorted from your life, like from sleep or whatever. You could set up alarm. You can change your music for if you have pair with your phone. You can set up the stopwatch and also the timer. You can find your device, which is absolutely nice function. Especially I use it one time when I don't know where I put my phone in my house, and I just use this function to find it easily. You can the silent mode, switch off all of the sounds, and also you have a brown display where you can change it that how it looks your watch. You can download more in your application. And settings, you got the lock screen. That's once you have set up the lock screen and you take your smart band from wrist off and you put it back, it will be asking for code to unlock. And also the brightness, you can see there is 5 different settings, and I mainly use the 4. Number 4 is brilliant, is easy, and is good. Okay, what else we have? We have a notification where you can check your notification from your phone. You can set up which notification you want sent to your smart band. You can set up from Google, YouTube, Facebook, whatever application you want. You can actually send it all of the notification, and you can easily read it. It's brilliant. Look at the weather working only if you gotta still pair your phone with your smart band and switch on the location as well, otherwise it's show something like this. And look at the workout. There's a couple of different workout: outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercising, and pool swimming. Pool swimming, yeah, you're right, is waterproof, and it's waterproof up to 50 meters and 5 atmosphere. It's more than enough, you need it. For outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor running, cycling and walking, you need to pair this band with your smart application in your phone and switch on the location, otherwise it will be not working correctly. You need a GPS for that. And what else we have here is a heartbeat rate, which is like set up and check your heartbeat. Okay, and status is daily status. You can check it over here, and how many meters you've done, how many calories you burn, and idle heart. Yep, that's it from the watch. The display is really nice and bright. It's actually AMOLED display. Okay, now we have a Mi Fit app. This app you can download free on Google Market. This app been paired with my Smart Band, but not on this phone. I used this phone before I buy my Redmi Note 8 Pro, when I'm now using mainly this application, and on this app it's been paired a long time ago. You can see the history. I will be check it for you. You can see the start, like on this day, 14 of 9, 6.5 grand steps, 4.3 kilometers, time active, burned calories and stuff like this. Now this is not the phone I use it mainly. This phone I just show you how the apps looks. Yeah, don't be scary. It's really recording everything. Yeah, you can check the distance, daily burn, daily activity, daily workout. You can have it here, your heartbeats record for other exercising, walking, running and cycling. That's the stuff I tell you need a GPS. We will have maps here, and once you click go, you'll be recorded, and that's absolutely fine. And you can set up your steps, goal for a day, track everything you really wanted. It's nice. It's also, you can pair this application with your band, watch, scale and smart shoes if you have it. You just need one account, one application. For all of this you got everything on Xiaomi brand. Otherwise you probably will need a different application. Yeah, but this is absolutely fine, and you can even have a room kids, the sleep data, heart rate, everything you can set up here. And workout, daily workout, you will find it on this page. It's brand. This app is nice, quick, no problem at all. If it's any updates for smartwatch, once you're switching on and pair, it will be automatically update the firmware. There is no problem at all with this working automatically. No issue at all. Okay, this smart band, smartwatch, or whatever we call it, Smart Mi Band for Xiaomi brand, is brilliant. I like it. It's got a 0.93 inch screen, AMOLED screen, and I use it brightness only 4 bars. There's a 5 bars for this. I use it 4 of them, and it's brilliant. I like it. It's so much good, and visibility on the sun is brilliant. Track everything I need. You got a heartbeat sensor on this side. You can have a look, and strap you can change it easily. There's no problem at all. Put it in. I got even about 5 or 6 straps for this watch, but I use it only the black and red, which is my favorite one, and I like it. Quality of the watch is nice and good. Okay, so far that's it. There is only one thing I need to say about this watch. I don't like it, or my wife don't like it, and is a step counting. It's not really correct all the time, especially when you going to shopping, or you got a trolley, or you have a pram, you have a child, and on the count your step, that's not working correctly. I will be explained for you, and that's what my wife said, because we thinking first time is one band is faulty, because my one can't alright, she's not. And the reason we find it is been because we have a still child, we have a pram, and when she walking outside, she push the pram, yeah, and because you push the pram, your hand is straight, holding the pram and walking, and there is no shaking. That means step counting is not correct, which is not really nice. And we find it, she made like 2 kilometers and counted like 200 steps. That's not correct, yeah, on 2 kilometers. That should be about, I don't know, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 steps in 2 kilometers. That's more correct. And we check it. We're going together. Yeah, she's banned, not counting correctly, and after that we find it because she pushed the pram. I tried, and yeah, it's like that. When you push something and you're not shaking your hand, it's not counting your step. We've got 2 solutions for that. First solution is, okay, if you know we'll be doing something like this, set up on a smart band, walking, pair with your phone, switch on GPS. The GPS will be count how far you go, and will be counted the steps, everything, because it's by GPS. That means the watch knows you're moving somewhere and will be counted automatically over the application, which is one function. And another stuff, she don't like it pair the band with the watch all the time. That means she used the second trick, she like it. She put the band on back and they count it correctly after that, because you still need to move your leg. It is correct, but I'm a little bit scared she can lose it. But I can put this watch on my leg because it's too short strap. But she's like this, and she can put it. Yeah, that's fine for she like it. She doing like that way, and I'm not complaining. Everyone have their own style. I will probably next time use my GPS if I want to count it, but I don't care if I lose like a couple of steps a day, because I wearing all day, and for main reason I know I do it. I'm just thinking, okay, this time I don't make it target 8,000 steps, okay, but I do this or this, or I forgot my watch somewhere. Yeah, should be right. I mainly do about 8,000 steps daily. My wife doing about 12,000, which is huge difference, and yeah, that's the workout. You can check it, you can have a look, and I can say it for this price, I pay €25. It's brilliant. You can now even buy it about for €20. I will put something on the description. You can have a look, you can buy it, and hopefully you'll like this. And yeah, I can just recommend. Just buy it, click like, recommend to your friends. It's best Christmas present as well, maybe present for someone who want to keep active or whatever like it. Yeah, absolutely. I can recommend this good smart band, nice quality. Any question, just ask on the comment. I will be definitely answer to you. And hopefully you like this video. Click like, share, and watch my content. And this video, last thing, this video is recorded first time on my Redmi Note 8 Pro. That means you can see the quality of this phone camera videos. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully the sound is good as well. I will see once I will be editing. And yeah, hopefully you like it. And if yes, let me know what you think about the video quality, if it's improved or whatever thinking, because that phone is amazing and the review will come soon as well. I just need the time for that, and time is something I don't really have. But I'll try my best. See you all on my next video. Click like, subscribe.